Jamaica will take their turn to attack instead with Ronaldo Cephas. Really dangerous ball in, Davis arriving and touched in by Kaheim Dixon. 1-1. And a huge roar greets the rapid response from the Reggae Boyz. Kaheim Dixon of Charlton Athletic has levelled it up for Jamaica. They were behind for less than 2 minutes. Owed much to Cephas. He won both of their penalties in the semi-final, and it is.
Kaheim Dixon. Let's speak about Kaheim Dixon. Now, before me going on the video, I make it clear from now, say this video is a video out of pure emotions. So you can probably disagree, can agree, based off of your own perception, your own perspective. And based off of that, you can come by your own idea of what you think of the player, how you feel about the player. But this is my feeling, my idea, my perspective of the player. I won't force or convince or even lead anyone in the direction to think or view the player as how I do. So this is just strictly around my concept and my perception of the player. Now, Kaheim Dixon is a special talent. Possibly one of the most talented youngsters come out of Jamaica. And if not, well, not say if not, but possibly also one of the most talented, naturally gifted Jamaican players. And I say again, I have no issue at all, none whatsoever at all, with anyone disagreeing with my sentiments. None whatsoever. I already made it clear I'm speaking from a sentimental aspect. Now, this player is very, very unique. And in the event that he continues on the same path that he's on right now, he has the potential to become one of Jamaica's best ever player. One of. I'm not saying the, I'm not saying the only, one of. He can join amongst the ranks of the best ever players if he should fulfill his potential. And that includes working very, very hard to achieve greatness. At this present moment, he's en route to become one of, in probably next 5 years from now, probably less, it could be less, one of Jamaica's most important and, or should I say, crucial player for World Cup 2030. Well, 2026, 4 years later, yeah. I say, no problem if you disagree, none whatsoever. This is my perspective. I don't think a lot of persons understand or see the talent that this young man possesses. It is not a normal, he's not a normal player. He's not a normal kid. is not a normal talent. In due time, once he continues on the same trajectory, people will see. Now, there's this sentiment that MJs are pick up for local player or MJs right there. Because, a lot of persons don't really look beyond certain things. They just look upon what them, the face value, or they look at narrative. No problem. If you want to say anything about that, I mean, no problem at all. None whatsoever. But one thing for sure, time will tell. Time will tell. Anyways, so Kaheim Dixon get his first 90 minutes of football in the League 2. He was dominant. Very, very dominant. So Kaheim Dixon has completed his first 90 minutes of big man football, where face versus MK Dons. This is Crawley. Not the best team. They really, really need some help, but certainly. On the day, MK Dons versus Crawley Town, and game ended 1-1, and Kaheim Dixon was one of the best players on the pitch. 90 minutes played, really, really good exposure for the player. At one moment, started off the game, a newfound position for Kaheim Dixon, attacking midfield. And this is actually something that, well, it's not new to him, but a lot of persons will not be familiar with that's a position that he can play. Attacking midfield, right wing, left wing, and striker. So, he's quite good there. Really, really, as I said, good performance from the youngster. I thought that his performance was very, very entertaining. 300% dribbles completed, 3 from 3 shots on target, 1 2 hit 2 and 1 on target. So key passes in the final third, 2 accurate long ball, 2 100%, that 1 out of 1. Ground duels, 6 out of 9. Aerial duels, 4 out of 4. Commit 1 foul and was fouled twice. 4 clearances, 1 interception. Total tackle 1 and was dribble pass once. Passing accuracy, 58%. That's definitely something that he would have to work on. But you can clearly see some of those passes that he was trying in the final third. Very, very crucial passes that he was trying to get. Some of them didn't come off, but most definitely, in due time, some will come off. He was one of the best players on the pitch, undoubtedly. He was taking MK Dons to school on time and over again. Very, very promising performance from the youngster. A newfound position. As I say again, this talent is unique, and we will see. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV Road. God bless. Boom. Outside. One day work in. They can tell you in due time.